Yes, miss, I've done analogies before. These are called analogies.
Okay, hold on. All right, good. All right, so hold on now. Um, 5 minutes. All right, so let me check the chat now. So I see answer from Larone. I see answer from, hold on, checking the chat. I see answer from Larone. I see answer from Jerice. I see answer from Rajan. All right, so I need to see the other answers. I see one answer from Andia. Good, so I see two answers. All right. All right, good. So I see those answers. Well done. Who's missing? Jaden. Jaden, send your answers now, dearie. All right, so Jaden, waiting on your answer. All right, so let's go with the answers now. Who's gonna read for me now? Jerice, you're gonna do the first one for me, and then my darling there. Let's see who's gonna do the second one. Rajan. So Jerice and Rajan, you start out for me this morning. Read the instruction first, and then read the question.
Circle the answer for items 1 to 3 and then write explanation in the space provided. 6 marks. Tangerine is to tree as pumpkin is to vines because a tangerine grows on a tree and a pumpkin grows on a vine.
Super. All right, super, super, super. Well done. Rajan, go with the second one for me, dearie.
Miss, water
Mm-hmm.
is pipe as electricity is too. Miss,
Mm-hmm.
why, Miss, because Miss, without wire, Miss, I couldn't get any electricity, Miss.
Yeah, that's true. And the water runs through the pipe and the electricity runs through the wire. See that?
Yes,
All
Miss.
right. All right, good. So we're gonna go at number three now. So go ahead and write number three. 2 minutes to write number three and answer it.
It's number 3 almost, right? Miss?
2 minutes up. Answer. Andia, you're gonna read for me and give me the answer, honey.
Tea is
Andia?
to leave.
Mm-hmm.
Tea is to leave. Coffee is to drink.
Mm-hmm. Ah. Think about it now, Andia. Tea is for leaves. That means tea comes from leaves. Coffee come from? Coffee come from? What do we get coffee from? What is coffee made from? Did anyone to try?
Yes, miss.
All right. What is coffee made from?
Beans.
Beans. Yes, it is. All right, good. All right, so that is it. You always try and see what they make in comparison to, and that will help you with your answer. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 questions, so that's 8 minutes. Question must be written in our books. You have 8 minutes. It's 21 minutes past 10, 29 minutes past 10. I'll be taking the answers. All right, let's go with our answers.
Miss, for number 4, Miss. Answer items 4 to 7 by circling the correct
So I
word to
want Dante,
complete the
good
sentence.
morning. And then sorry about that, Dante. Go ahead now, honey. Dante,
Yes, Miss.
sorry about that. Go ahead now, my darling.
Miss, read the question.
Yes, my dear. Read from answer item 4 to 5 to 7.
Answer items 4 to 7 by circling the correct word to complete the sentence. 4 marks.
Mm-hmm.
Long is to short as fat is to.
Mm-hmm. What is to what? Tell me the answer.
Miss, I will say C.
C.
Yes, Miss. Miss, if something is not fat, it is thin.
It is thin. All
Yes,
right.
Miss.
I will go with C too because when I look at small, it's big to small. So
Yes,
I would
Miss.
say fat to thin. Yes, I would go with C. All right, read number 5 for me. Read number 5, Dante.
Miss, read number 5.
Yes, yes.
Honey is to be as milk is to. Miss Cow.
As honey is to be, as milk is to cow.
Cow,
Mm-hmm.
because
Definitely.
sometimes it's saying the bee produce the honey and the milk
Mm-hmm.
and the cow produce the milk.
All right. Mm-hmm. All right, let's go, Laron. Well done. Dante, let's go, Laron.
Miss, what number?
Number 6.
Miss, for number 6, Miss, for number 6, Miss, for number 6, I see.
Read the question for me.
They said bird is doing and fish. I'll say fin.
Well done. Read number 7, Laron. Word number 7, Laron.
Miss, it says dog is to puppy as bear is to cow. He's talking about the young ones for each animal, miss.
All right, good, good. All right, so we're gonna do the others. Well done.
Miss, excuse me, miss. Excuse me, miss.
All right, so I'm gonna go with Andia first and then Jaden. Andia, read the question for me, honey.
In each sentence below, a phrase is underlined. Select one word from the options which can best replace the underlined phrase. A. My aunt asked me to put the knives, fork, and foods on the table. A. Crockery. B. Platter. C. Chinaware. D. Cutlery. Miss B.
Excellent. Cutlery. All right, good. All right, let's go now, Jaden.
The lion is a big animal that lives on the flesh of others.
Mm-hmm. That word stand out. Stand out, Jaden. The answer stand out.
Excuse me, sir, can the bathroom, please?
Mm-hmm. Go ahead.
Miss Beast.
Lion don't eat beast alone. He eat everybody, everything. So think about it again.
Miss.
Is that Joey saying, Miss?
No. Miss Hunter.
Is that Joey saying, Miss Hunter?
Miss, oh, sorry, Miss.
Joey, raise your hand. Raise your hand, Joey. Excellent. All right. Go, Jaden.
Miss Reptile.
Not reptile. Reptile is like crocodiles and stuff like that. They don't feed on crocodiles alone.
Miss.
All right, so I'm gonna hear from Jerice. Jerice, go ahead. And then Dante. Go ahead, Jerice.
Miss, Miss, I'm saying be carnivore because Miss, anything Miss that eats flesh or meat is a carnivore.
So tell me the other boars.
Herbivore, omnivore,
Herbivore. What does herbivore do?
eat only plants.
What does omnivore do?
Eat both plants and animals.
Let's write that down in our books. Carnivore. Let's go again, Jerice. What does carnivore do?
Carnivore Miss eats the flesh of other animals.
So eat only animals. Omnivore, what does omnivore do?
Eat both plants and animals.
And what does carnivore do? Not carnivore.
The carnivore eats only other animals.
Herbivore.
Oh, a herbivore. Herbivore eats only plants.
No, you heard me correct the first time. You know what you said was correct. You heard me correct. You responded correctly. Yeah, so you responded correctly. And there is that in your book, honey. Dante, do you have your written down that in your book? Jaden, is that in your book? Have you got any response from anyone? Like after that? And there is that in your book?
Come back.
Yes, Rajan. So Rajan's question was, Miss, are we omnivores? Yes, Rajan. And I love the fact that Rajan is here analyzing, Rajan is looking at what is happening and he's analyzing to say that, oh, we eat plants and animals, so we're omnivores. Awesome. But you have some persons that eat only plants, Rajan, who are herbivores, okay?
Excuse me, Miss. What was the answer for number 9 and number 8?
You tell me, Laron, what's the answer for number 8?
Miss, number 8 have cutlery.
Yes.
And for number 9 have carnivore.
Awesome. Well done. Give yourself a tick.
Yes, indeed. Yes, miss.
All right. So we're going to scroll down. All right. So we have 1, 2, 3 questions there. The passage is a bit long, so I don't want you to write the passage. That's going to take too much time. You're just going to answer the questions from the passage. So you're going to give you, say, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to give you 5 minutes. Okay, my darlings, I am ready. Who I haven't heard from as yet? I haven't heard. Oh, Jeri's hand is up. I haven't heard from Rajon. I'm gonna go with Rajon and Dante. So Rajon, you're gonna read the first two, and Dante, definitely, you're going to be reading the last question with that big passage and giving me the answer for that question. All right, so let's go, Rajon. We're starting out with you, darling.
Okay, thank you. The captain inspects
So polite, Rajon. Thank you. Go, Rajon.
the captain inspects the back of the ship. The answers are A, deck, B, mast,
Mast.
B, C, stern, and D, bow.
Oh, So what is the back of the ship called? You're going to look that one up for me?
Okay. What is the back of the ship called?
Hold on, hold on, give me 1 minute. Hello.
Miss?
Yes, go for me, Rajon.
Bow.
Go. So did you Google it just now?
Yes, miss.
And you got bow. All right. Let's see. Hold on. I'm not 100% certain on that. I'm Googling it as well. What is the back of a ship called? You sure you Googled it?
Yes, miss.
And you get the word bow. Anyone else have that answer? Raise your hand if you have. Oh, I see 2 hands up. Nice. So I see that my students are raising their hand, not shouting out.
Yes.
Jerice, go ahead, Jerice. What's the answer? Jerice?
Miss, the answer for number 12, Miss, is 13.
Number 10. No. Number 10.
Oh, Miss, number 10, the back of a ship. The Miss, I think it's the stern, Miss.
The stern.
Back of the
All right. Yeah, it's the stern. All right, good. All right. What's his name again? Rajon, go on with the other questions now, Rajon.
Okay, miss. This, number 11. The person who performs operation must have statutory hands. Miss. A, surgeon. B, surgeon. C, doctor. And D, can I see D quite well, miss? Miss, is D L P-R-I-E-A-L?
P-R-I-E-S, the priest. The priest is at the church.
Okay. Miss,
Okay.
A, miss.
Yes, it is a surgeon. All right. All right. So I want you to be adding these words to your vocabulary. So you're adding these words to your vocabulary. So you're knowing these words. All right. You're adding these words to, surgeon, sergeant, doctor, priest. Hold on. All right. So read the next one. Hold on, give me a second. All right, read now for me. Who was going to go next? Laro. Was it Laron? Dante, read now. The next one.
Read the passage below, then answer each question. 3 marks. Mr. and Mrs. Gale began a college nest egg account for their daughter Samantha, which will mature on Samantha's 18th birthday on or before the 30th day of each month. They were to deposit $7,000 to the account. The bank will pay an interest of $100 each month for exactly 5 years. According to the terms of the agreement, the account has reached maturity and the Gales are now able to withdraw the funds. How old was Samantha when her parents started the account?
So how old was she?
Miss, I'm going to. Miss, I will
Read it.
say.
Hold on, read the question for me again. I wanted to highlight important information that
Mr.
pops out
and
at you
Mrs.
now.
Mr. and Mrs. Gale began a college nest egg account for their daughter Samantha, which will mature on Samantha's 18th birthday on or before the 30th day of each month.
Dante. So Dante, when you're reading, honey, you're reading for important information now. So I want you to slow down. And in the first sentence, there's something that you need to highlight that's going to help you to get your answer. What is it? There's something that you need to highlight in the first sentence that will help you to get your answer. What is it?
Miss 18th birthday?
So highlight the word 18th for me, honey. So we're highlighting the word 18th. All right, so hold on. I'm going to give you, hold on. All right, hold on. All right, all right, so 18th. All right, read the next sentence now.
On or before the 30th day of each month.
Go
They
on
were
now.
to deposit $7,000 to the account. The bank will pay an interest of $100 each month for exactly 5 years, according to the terms of the agreement.
All right. Something important in that line again, as it relates to time. So you say how old, we're looking for things that has to do with time. What is it that you're going to highlight in that part? As it relates to time.
Miss 5 years?
5, good, 5 years. Highlight that for me now. Right, so we have 5 years. For 18 birthday and 5 years. It takes 5 years for it to mature. The account has reached maturity. Reached maturity now. How old was she when they started the account? She can't get the money until she's 18. And it's 5 years since they started it that it took to mature. When did they start it? Dante? Dante?
Yes,
Dante?
miss.
Select
Miss
one of your
Auntie.
classmates to answer.
Yes, miss.
Select one of your classmates to support you. Anyone you want to select. Just call their name for them to support you. Anyone?
Miss
Don't think-
Laron.
All right, so Laron, you're up. Laron?
Yes, miss.
All right, so help us with the answer now. What's the answer for that one? What's the answer for that one, Laron?
Miss, I don't get it yet. Miss, I'm trying to get the answer.
All right, choose a classmate. Choose someone, Laron, that you want to support you. Yes, Laron?
Miss,
Hmm?
Miss, can repeat? Miss, I can repeat it.
Someone that you want to
Miss Dante.
choose you to choose somebody else now.
Miss Dante.
Dante chose you, so you need to choose somebody else because Dante isn't sure at it. He haven't finished where to go. Choose another person. Laron,
Yes, miss.
choose another person.
Miss Antia.
All right, let's go, Andia.
Wait, miss, what question are you doing? Miss, is number 12, right?
Yes, we're doing number 12. Andia,
Miss 13.
excellent. 13 is the answer. Can you tell me how you got 13?
Miss, because I take away 5 from 18.
Why did you take 5 from 18, my darling?
Miss, because it said on her 18th birthday, Miss, and it is for 5 years
Uh-huh.
of,
Go on.
of the agreement. Miss, that's how I get 13, Miss. I subtract 5 from 18.
Awesome. So if you reach 18 years, right? If it's the 18th birthday and it's 5 years since that, then that means she must have been 13. Well done. All right, beautiful. I know that other persons were giving answers in the chat. All right, so good job. All right. All right, let's go with this one now. How much? Let me see if I can zoom this in a bit.
Mr. Khan,
Hold on. You can't see, it's too small.
Mr. Can see.
Oh, I want you to see the passage while you're looking at the question, so hence zooming in. Everyone can see, or is it too small? Can see it?
That's me.
All right, good. All right, so number 13 and number 14. Jaden, you're going to do number 13. Joris, you're going to do number 14. All right? 2 minutes, and then we come to that. All right, so I see Joris working. I see Rajan working. Rajan, but I don't see an answer on screen, Rajan. Look at this, what I sent you to Rajan. Check that again. I see Rajan working. Check it again, Rajan. They gave me an answer, but I'm not seeing it as the option. I think I accidentally maybe wrote a wrong digit.
Yes. Is the number at it is B 6 and 6 say $500.
But think about it, Rajon. You're giving me an answer that is not there. So do you think that your answer is correct?
Miss, I thought B was 6,500.
Yeah, but look at it. Do you see? Oh, you thought it was 6,500 that was there.
Yes, miss.
Say, can you call 6,500 another way? You can call that. I'm saying 6,500. Tell me another way you can call those that number.
6,500.
Instead of saying 6,500, yes, sorry, no, before. Instead of saying 6,500, tell me another way you can say 6,500. Anyone else want to answer? You can just open your microphone and tell me. Another way of saying 6,500.
Miss 6,500.
Yes, 6,500. Okay, Rajon?
Okay, miss.
All right, so Rajon, go check your answer again. So they say the bank would pay an interest of $1,000 each month. So they are paying $1,000 each month. And I want you to check your answer again. Yes, check your answer again, Rajon. So if they're paying $100 each month, and how many years did they pay the $100 for? How many years did they pay the $100 for? How many years did they pay interest for?
5.
5. All right, so they paid interest for 5 years. How many months in 5 years? How many months in a year?
12.
How many months in 2 years?
24.
How many months in 3 years? You're doing good so far.
35.
How much?
35.
12.
4 and 12.
42.
Man, 24 and 12.
24.
You're going up by 12. So listen to me now, Rajon. This is how you're gonna say it. 12, 24. That's 12 plus 12. I don't know the 12 to 24 now.
Equals 36.
36. Good. So how much is it for 4 years now? So that's 3 years. How much is it for 4 years?
48.
48. Oh man, you're going up by 12 now. Hold on. Yes. Sorry, my bad. My bad.
Miss,
Yes, 48. 48, yes. And now the 5th year, 512.
12. 5, 12, 6.
I don't know the 12 to 48 again.
5, 12, 60.
Good. All right. So how much is it that they give it? So if it's 60 months and they're getting 100 interest, $100 interest each month, how much interest did they get in total? 60 months, 100 each month. I hear pen writing, pencil and paper, man. So yes, Rajon is working it out.
5,000.
Come again, Rajon, man. 60 months, $100 each month. How did you work that out to get 5,000? Tell me what you did just now.
Yes.
Tell me what you did just now.
Miss, I add Miss.
What do you add?
Miss 100.
100 plus
105 times, Miss.
can be 105 times. Remember, you have 60 months, 60 months. So if you're gonna add 100, you'd be adding 160 times. I don't want you to be adding. All right, to see a hand. Let's see who raised their hand. All right, don't want you to be adding. All right, so I see Jerice. Jerice, go ahead, Jerice. Jerice?
Yes, miss.
Go ahead.
Miss,
What?
Answer for number 14.
For 13. 13. How you get the answer for number 13?
Miss, for number 13, miss. I know that there are 12 months in 1 year, right?
Yes.
And the bank gains 100 interest each month. So that is 12
Yes.
times 100, just for the 1 year, right?
Yes.
So, miss, then, miss, I do 6. Then, miss, look, I do. And that I get, which is 1,200 times, miss, times 5, okay, miss?
All right.
And after, times 5, and then I get my answer.
All right, good. All right, but there's another way. So let's work with how figure your answer. Let's work with how Rajan was going about it. So Rajan is presently at 60 months, and he knows that he pays 100 each month. So how is he going to work that out? 60 months, 100 each month. Tell him what operation he can do to get his answer, to get the same answer that you got. Any idea?
Miss, how much
So the answer is 6,000. What can I do with 60 and 100 to get 6,000?
Miss, multiply.
Excellent. Multiply. So we could multiply 60 times 100. Remember, the addition, that multiplication is the upgrade of addition, right? So if you were supposed to add 160 times to get the answer, that means that you can multiply 100 times 60. You understand me?
6,000?
All right, so go ahead now and work that out for me. 100 times 60. And tell me what you get for the answer. And we should be using our short method to work out 100 times 60. Which of the method did you use to work out the 6,000? Which of the method did you use to work out the 6,000?
Multiply.
So which of the multiplication did you use? Did you use the short multiplication or did you go the long way? Did you just write down 60 and add the 2 zeros? Or did you write down the 100 times the 60 and say 0 times that, 0 times that, 6 times that? Which one you did?
Miss, that one, miss.
Okay, all right. That's okay, honey. All right, who's supposed to give me the second one? So that was Rajan with the first one. The second one was it Andia? No, not. It's not Andia. No. It's Jerice. Jerice, you're supposed to give me number 14 answer, Jerice.
Is number 14.
Mm-hmm.
How much money would Samantha's parents have deposited over the term of agreement? So, miss, 38 each month. That would be 1 month because 1 month. All right, let's just say it is 1 month, okay? It will be the same at the bank. So 7,000.
Mm-hmm.
7,000. I'm going to use the same method that I did before to work number 30. So 7,000
Mm-hmm.
times 12. Now we know that 712
I just put it on my fridge.
712 is
Anyway, that's put it on my fridge. Okay, now I'm gonna do that.
84, miss. So, miss, that is 8,000. 8,000.
I get 8,000. 12 sevens. What's 12 sevens, Joris?
12 7 84.
Okay. Okay,
That
so
would
how
be
is it you're saying 8,000? It should be 80 what?
84,000.
Awesome. There you go, my darling. 84,000. Mm-hmm.
84,000 times 5, miss. Which would
84,000 times 5.
miss, 84,000 times 5 would be 420.
Awesome. All right, so let's go
420.
through that one again. We're gonna go through that one, and I'm gonna do it on screen just in case any of my darlings does not get that one. All right. So as Jerry said, how much money would Samantha parents have deposited over the term of agreement? Every month she deposited 7,000. So for 1 year, it is 7,000. For 1 year, it is 7,000 times 12. Good. So we said 2 times 0, 0, 2 times 0, 0. And as a matter of fact, we're not working this the long way. We're going to go the short method because I want you to practice the short method. So 12 times 7,000 times 12. We're going to do 7,000 times 12. All we're going to do, all right, this is something I want you to practice, is to multiply the number here, 12, by the single digit at the front. You multiply them, and 7 times 12 is 84. And then the amount of zeros here, you just add them on. So any amount of zeros, you just add them on. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 zeros. Let me write that again. It's 84,000. All right, so that's how we get our answer for 1 year. So for 1 year, the parents would have paid 84,000. How I know it's 1 year? Because I only multiply by 12, and 12 say 12 months, which is 1 year. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do now, it is going to be, it's not just 1 year that they did it for 5 years. So I'm going to say 84 times 5. And you can go ahead and work that out however you want to work it out. But I still want you to use the shortcut method. So I want you to say 5 times 4. What's 5 times 4? What's 5 times 4?
5 times 4.
20.
So I'm going to put on the 0 for the 20 and carry the 2. And then I'm going to say 5 times, hold on. So I'm going to say 5 times, oops. So we're going to say 5 times 8. What's 5 times 8?
40.
40.
Plus the 2. Plus the 2.
42. 42.
Hold on, my pen stopped working. So that's 42.
I'm not hearing you properly.
hear me properly? Hear me now?
27.
No, miss.
Hmm?
Yes, miss.
Right, so we have 420 at the front and 1, 2, 3 zeros. So that's 1, 2, 3 0. So it's 420,000. See that?
Yes, miss.
All right. So that's it for that one. So let's write down the solution in our books. If you cannot do the multiplication that way, all right, and I'm still going to teach you how to do it because I want you to learn the short method. Go ahead and write it down this way. 7,000 times 12 and work it out. And then you're going to have 84,000 times 5 and work it out. Right? So if you cannot do it the short way, go ahead and work it out the long way. All right?
Okay, miss.
But make sure you know how to do it and make sure your answer is correct. Are we clear?
Okay, miss.
All right, my darlings.
Yes,
We're
miss.
going to continue. Jaden, you're going to come up next. So you're going to be reading for me next and doing the question. So I'm going to scroll down so you can see the questions. All right, and good job to you all so far.
Miss.
Hold on, come in there. All right. So scrolling down now. All right, I give you 4 minutes, 2 for each question. All right, don't write this question. Just read, think about it, and then I take the answer. Then you're going to give me the first answer, and Jaden first answer, and Dante second answer. Okay?
Yeah.
Second, miss.
Miss. Excuse me, miss.
Yes, Laron?
Miss, I just saw meeting ended. Miss, and I was trying to join back, miss, but it wasn't letting me join. Miss, I was typing the password, miss, and it keeps saying wrong password.
Zoom acts up sometimes, okay?
Miss, I just got to get
All right, don't worry.
Miss.
Miss, so where at?
We have these 2 questions. You have 2 minutes to go. You're going to read the question. Don't write them down. Don't write them. Just read through and select the correct one. The most, the one with the most sense.
Yes, miss.
All right? So I give you 2 minutes and then I start taking answers.
Me.
Thank you, miss.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, miss.
Miss.
Go ahead, honey. Still don't see any hands raised, you know.
Miss, the first question was 84,000 multiplied by 5.
It was what, hold on. It was 7,000 multiplied by 12, which give 84,000. And then 84,000 times 5.
Miss.
It was 7,000 multiplied by 12, and then 12, no, 7,000 multiplied by 12, which give 84,000, and then 84,000 times 5.
Miss, I got the answer.
Hmm?
Miss, I got the answer, miss.
Okay. What did you get for the answer?
420,000.
Mm-hmm. Good, good. All right, Jaden, you'll be doing number 15 now. So read number 15 for me. Read the instruction first.
For items 15 to 16, read each set of statements carefully. Circle the letter beside the one that makes most sense.
Mm-hmm.
Um, Miss, I would pick
Now read them first. Read A to D first.
an elder lady. An
Elderly
elder
woman.
bought 2 pairs of reading glasses.
Hold on.
One,
Start again.
an elderly woman bought 2 pairs of reading glasses.
Mm-hmm.
One for fiction and the other for the radio.
Mm-hmm.
B. The dentist told the patient that his teeth were healthy, but the condition of his gums were bad. C.
Mm-hmm.
The driver of the car had to pull over because the new car warrant had expired.
Mm-hmm.
D. Usain Bolt is so fast that when he turns off the light switch, he is in the bed before the room gets dark.
Mm-hmm. What
Miss,
makes
I
more sense?
see, Miss.
Why C? Hold on. Give me a sec. All right, ready now, Jaden? Jaden,
Yes, miss.
ready now with your answer.
Miss, I said C.
Why C?
Because it sounds like more realistic.
So wouldn't the person, the driver of the car, had to pull over because the new car warranty had expired? If it's a new car, the warranty would expire so fast. Hmm?
Mm. Yes, miss.
They could be C. So which other option would you choose if not C?
Miss, probably A.
An elderly woman had 2 pairs of reading glasses, one for fiction and the other for the radio. Do you need reading glasses to read the radio?
No, miss.
All right, so it could be A. Which other one?
You say D.
See, Usain Bolt is so fast that when he turns off the light switch, he's in the bed before the room gets dark. Have you ever turned off a light switch before?
Yes, miss.
Don't it automatically, the light goes off immediately?
Yes, miss.
Yes. So the answer that I select is B. The dentist told the patient that his teeth were healthy, but the condition of his gum was bad. So it can be that the gum is going bad, right? But the teeth haven't gone bad as yet. You see that?
Yes, miss.
But these are a really tricky question because, in my opinion, none of them make sense. But they say look for the one that makes the most sense. All right?
Yes,
All right.
miss.
Yes, Jaden, don't worry about it. It's just practice. All right, you get it. And who's gonna go? Who's supposed to go with the last one for me? Is that Dante? Dante, are you supposed to be doing number 16? All right, let's go. Let's go, Larone with number 16. So read them for me, Larone.
It's number 16. Miss, so the first one says, when asked by a waiter if she would like a cocktail, the patron replied, the wing and the neck will do just fine. B. The judge asked the man, give his testimony, to which he replied, I do not owe the plaintiff. Miss, what is that word?
I do not owe the plaintiff any money.
Okay.
Plaintiff.
C. The engineer that had to shut down the mechanic because the gear had a broken tooth. I used to be indecisive, but now I am not sure. I am not so sure. Miss, I choose A. Miss,
I'm looking at your option, your choice.
I choose A because miss the other one. Miss the other one don't make no sense. Miss the one with the judge. He said give his testimony. Miss you only give a testimony at church. Miss and the one with the engineer broken tooth. Miss I don't think I give a tooth. Miss and if one gear is broken, miss they can use another one. Miss I'm not sure about D.
I think I don't. Though when asked by the waiter if she liked the cocktail, the patron replied, "The wing and the neck will do just fine." So cocktail. These questions are so tricky. Cocktail is a drink.
No, miss it would be A, miss, because the cocktail is on the bottom of the cock, miss, and the rest.
No, cocktail is a drink.
What?
Cocktail is a drink.
I don't know that.
Yes, it's a drink.
But you were talking the tail and the animal.
No, it's a drink, honey.
Miss, I go with A.
Go with A.
Yes, miss, I go with A.
All right, I am indecisive of this one. I am not so sure. To be honest, this one, I really don't see which one really makes sense.
If it would be D or A.
I think I would go with, I used to be indecisive, but now I'm not sure. Like there's no, I would go with D because like they're saying I used to be indecisive and like they're saying I am still indecisive because at this present point, I am not sure. Because indecisive means you're not sure about something. I used to be indecisive, but now I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Let's move down to the other questions. I'll definitely come back to you on this one because I'm not so sure about this either. All right, and I don't want to give you the wrong answer for this one, so we'll come back to it because I'm not sure which one. I'd have to look at it more in detail to see which one. All right. All right, let's go with number 20, number 18, and 19. I mean. All right, so giving you 4 minutes. All right. And their first question. Rajon, second question, darling.
Yeah.
Yes.
Miss
First question, Andia. Second question.
was supposed to write off it.
No. Too long for you to write it off. Let's go, Andy. First question, honey. And then Rajon, second question. When you're ready, let me know. All right, so done. Jarice, go with number 18. And Rajon, you're gonna do number 19.
Miss for number 18. For items 18 to 19, read each paragraph. Circle the letter beside the saying that matches the behavior or action described in the paragraph. Stacy's computer malfunctioned, and she lost her homework that she had been working on all evening. Her friend Marcia told her what happened. He called her friend Marcia and told her what happened. Marcia went to Stacy's home from 9:35 to 2 a.m. to help her redo her homework. Mr. saying Miss that would match that Miss is a friend in need is a friend indeed.
Okay. So Stacy computer malfunction. She lost her homework she had been working on all evening. She called her friend Marcia and told her friend. And Marcia went to Stacy's home from 9:35 to help her redo her work. Perfect. Perfect. A friend indeed. In need is a friend indeed. All right. Well done. And the last one goes to my darling dear Rajon. Rajon.
Ready,
Rajon.
miss?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Risa, it is not.
Erica.
Erica, it is not okay for you to treat Paul Shabbility
Shabili.
just because he didn't invite you to his party. The two wrongs don't make a right.
Absolutely amazing. two wrongs don't make a right. And I love these two last questions, and I want you to take them home with you, as in to take them with you into life. A friend in need is a friend indeed. And two wrongs don't make a right. So when somebody do something awful to you, don't do it back. Hear me? Right? So that would be the last question for today. I will send the task in the group. Remember that we have in workshop next week, and the workshop will be from 9 to 2. So 9, so it's 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. So it's 5 hours from 1 to 2. All right, so remember that from 9 a.m. to 2, and it is $1,000 for the workshop. But you students who are a part of our class, you do not pay. Anyone who is joining and who only coming for the workshop, you can tell your friends they can join our workshop next week. It's $1,000. But you who is a part of our class already, you do not pay anything. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
All right. So you can share with friends about our workshop. And I'll send flyers out to mommy so mommy can share too. All right, my darlings?
Miss,
Yes?
next week, next week, Saturday.
Yes, my dear.
Okay, Miss.
All right, good. All right, again, darling. Have a great weekend.
We
Be
wish
free
you
now. And remember, a friend in need is a friend indeed. And two wrongs don't make a right. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Bye.